Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today we are at DefineX office, and we will be discussing a topic that matters to many CIOs and senior leaders who are visiting their CRM strategy. And now I have an expert on this topic. Serkan, welcome.
Hi, Beltan.
So, many CIOs have long-running Siebel implementation. They are wondering whether to keep it, upgrade it, or what to do with it. So, please give us some perspective.
Beltan, actually, there is a false perception on many CIOs that Siebel is outdated or historical, which is not completely true because Oracle increased investments on Oracle Siebel and they are releasing monthly features which helps modernization of Siebel CRM. One of the options is replacing the CRM solution, but considering that many of the large enterprises such as banks and telco operators are using Siebel CRM on their core, it would be very risky and also expensive. In such a situation, modernization of the existing Siebel CRM should be considered as a strong option. When we are talking about modernization, I need to highlight two critical pillars. One is the version upgrades, considering that some of these large enterprises are locked with the historical versions of the product. New features coming with the modern versions will be game changer. And the second pillar is the infrastructure side of things, because even if you use the modern versions of the product, you might be lacking the cloud native features coming with the recent advancements on the Oracle Siebel side.
So you are pressing on an important topic. So you are saying that Siebel is getting modernized, but I also have many investments to cloud native architectures. Will Siebel work on these architectures?
Of course, they already are. As DefineX, we helped one of our large telco operators run their Siebel CRM on OpenShift 3 years back. And Oracle also embraced a more open strategy, supporting clients deploy their Oracle Siebel using Siebel Cloud Manager, which is known as SCM, on their preferred cloud infrastructure and also preferred Kubernetes engine. Because these large enterprises have already immense amount of investments on their cloud infrastructure and Kubernetes architecture. They are willing to run their Oracle Siebel on their preferred infrastructure and preferred Kubernetes engine, which is why Oracle helped them to deploy using Siebel Cloud Manager, which is now supporting a more open approach rather than forcing the clients to make an additional investment on Oracle Cloud infrastructure or Oracle Kubernetes engine.
Okay, I understand what Siebel will do. I understand that it will work in cloud native architectures, but what are the benefits it will bring to me and to my company?
The outcome will be very immediate and also help the business see the benefits immediately because there will be no replacement which will last for multi-year. Together with the modernized version of Siebel, they will be able to utilize the modern user interfaces supported by multiple teams such as Redwood. They also will be able to benefit from modern RESTful integrations or APIs, and they will be able to utilize intelligent search features coming with the updated versions of the product. And also the business will be able to open and use Siebel on mobile applications as well, which is also very critical for our clients. On the technical side, they will be able to leverage on their existing cloud infrastructure and Kubernetes engine, and they will be able to integrate Oracle Siebel with the ecosystem full of CNCF compliant solutions addressing the cross-cutting concerns instead of running Siebel as a siloed application, which will help them to make Siebel CRM as a first-level citizen integrated with the overall modern enterprise architecture.
Beautifully said, Serkan. Thank you for watching us. I hope this conversation brought some clarity and confidence to your decision making. And please stay tuned for new episodes.